Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and in this video we're going to check out the quick measure in AR Zone. So let's go to the Samsung folder, open up AR Zone application, and down here you will see quick measure. However, you will need to download it, so just download it. So let's open up the quick measure and try it out, see how well it works. Okay, so got my brother here. So let's measure this guy, see how tall he is. When last did you measure yourself?
Oh, 1 year ago.
Alright, so gonna start down here at the bottom by his feet. So let's go ahead and select the plus. So start point added. And then we're just gonna work our way up. We don't want to move too fast, so just work your way up slowly. What are you smiling for? Alright, so we're just going to stop right there. End point added. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how tall this guy is. So 172 centimeters. So what does that work out as in feet? I'll have to go check that out. Back in a second, guys. Okay guys, back again. So according to Google, 172 centimeters works out as 5 feet 7.717 inches tall in height. Okay, so you, sir, you're 5'7" tall. Okay guys, so that was my video just testing out the quick measure in AR Zone on the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Be sure to give this video a like. Also, share the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. I'm out.